Are you ready to elevate your lifestyle videos? Editing can transform your footage. Today, we'll cover essential editing tips that make your videos shine. Lifestyle videos capture daily experiences. But if your editing is lackluster, viewers may lose interest. Let's change that. First, choose the right software. Options like Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve work great. Look for user-friendly features. If you're a beginner, try iMovie or Filmora. Next, import your footage. Organize clips by theme or day. This saves time later. A well-organized project makes editing easier and more efficient. Now, it's time to cut your clips. Begin by removing unwanted sections. Focus on the key moments that connect with your audience. Keep your video concise. Aim for clear storytelling. Add transitions to improve flow. Simple fades or slides work well. Don't overdo it. Aim for consistency that matches your video style. Smooth transitions keep viewers engaged. Next, enhance your audio. Clear sound is crucial. Use background music to add atmosphere. Check for copyright-free music on platforms like Epidemic Sound or YouTube Audio Library. Consider adding voiceovers. They help explain your content. This personal touch connects with viewers. Use a good microphone for better quality. Now, let's talk about graphics and text. Use them to highlight key points. Keep fonts simple and legible. Avoid cluttering the screen. Balance is key. Color grading helps your footage pop. Adjust brightness and contrast. Correct color imbalances. Tools within your software can help with this. Aim for a cohesive look throughout your video. For a final touch, add end screens and cards. These direct viewers to other videos. It increases engagement and subscriptions. Links encourage viewers to stay on your channel. Let's look at an example. Imagine you filmed a day in your life. During editing, cut to the best moments. Use upbeat music and smooth transitions. Add text to introduce each segment. This curious structure keeps viewers interested. In summary, great editing enhances your lifestyle videos. Organize your footage. Cut wisely and use transitions. Enhance audio and add graphics. Color grading will make your video visually appealing. Don't forget to incorporate end screens. Ready to take your videos to the next level? Start editing with these tips today. Experiment, learn, and create. Subscribe for more editing advice. Let's make your lifestyle videos shine.